Don't link us with Peter Obi. He pursues different goal. IPOB cautions Kwankwaso. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has warned the presidential candidate of the New Nigeria People's Party, NNPP, Rabiu Kwankwaso, to stop linking the group to Peter Obi. Obi is the former Anambra state governor and presidential flag bearer of Labour Party LP. IPOB, in a statement by its spokesperson, Emma Powerful, on Tuesday, said it does not want to associate itself with politicians and their selection process they call election in Nigeria. The group stated that Obi is not its member and has never supported its agitation of self-determination from Nigeria. It then said they have nothing in common. Now let's read the statement partly. The global family of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, under the command and leadership of our great leader, Nnamdi Kanu, wish to advise the former governor of Kano State, Rabiu Kwankwaso, not to involve IPOB into selection process that call election in Nigeria. It further stated that the Nigerian politicians generally, and Kwankwaso in particular, should desist from linking IPOB with Peter Obi, his political ambition and campaign. Peter Obi is not an IPOB member, never supported our agitation for freedom at any time because he pursues a totally different goal form. That of the indigenous people of Biafra is different. We have no interest in the Nigerian morally decadent and fantastically corrupt political system and landscape. The Nnamdi Kanu-led group said that if Kwankwaso is threatened by Labour Party and Peter Obi's teeming support by the creative and talented but downtrodden, neglected, deceived, deprived, killed NSAS Nigerian youth from even the north, which your generation do not have any good intentions for, then he should go forward and settle his differences and stop linking IPOB to their agitation, to their problem. As it has always said, the statement asserted, IPOB is not interested in the worthless politics you play in Nigeria. We don't regard such daylight robbery, fraud, manipulations, and selection as election. Maybe there is something Kwankwaso is not telling the world. Instead of saying the truth that because he is a Fulani with the born-to-rule mentality, he cannot play the second fiddle to a Southern Christian presidential candidate, he has the temerity to associate our hallowed liberation movement with the shameless, murky waters. The group said all it has ever wanted is referendum to that would sponsor its disintegration from Nigeria and not politics. It said IPOB is not concerned with the waves of this election. We have never asked for nor say anything contrary to our goal and demand. What we need is referendum, and referendum we must have. There are no middle ways for us as people as far as our liberty and freedom is concerned. There is therefore nothing anybody can do to change our resolve towards our stated goal, which is the restoration of Biafra. IPOB wish to use this medium and opportunity to warn every politician in Nigeria to desist from linking IPOB with their politics and selection process because we are not politicians and have no common interest. We are freedom fighters. Well, I don't even know why someone should put forward such silly claims that Peter Obi got the support of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. That is the height of various bogus claim. As far as I know, IPOB and Peter Obi are two opposite unions with different motives. IPOB focuses entirely on getting Biafra, which is, in other words, to split Nigeria and have a separate nation. That is their goal, stated goal. But Peter Obi believes in Nigeria and even its political system and has indicated interest in the leadership, even to the presidential capacity. So these are two different and opposing views altogether. And aside that too, IPOB has cause to settle with Peter Obi. They said why he was governor of Anambra State, which is one of the southern eastern state of Nigeria, where the Biafran struggle is much further. They said he was accused of being behind the death of numerous Biafran agitators in the name of MASSOB then, whose bodies were discovered later in Ezu River. The story continues to put him in the bad and black books of IPOB, even though MASSOB has claimed nothing like that happened. So there is no link. People are using that to, gain political ground. IPOB has no link with Peter Obi. IPOB does not support Peter Obi. Perhaps if they do, maybe individually, maybe some members, but as a group, I don't think IPOB supports Peter Obi. Anyway, I would like you to add your comment, tell us what you think about this story. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.